Welcome back. We're still proving our theorems. We want to prove the theorem which says that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, meaning that they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, remember, these are the theorems you must know how to prove. One of them is going to be in the exam. Right, we want to prove the theorem which says that the opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. We're given a circle with center O and then cyclic quad PQRS. Want to prove that this angle P plus this angle R are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees. Remember, we have to know the constructions that we have to do. Okay, so in this case we have to construct OQ and then OS, like that. And then we have to remember also the theorems that we have to use. If we check here, we have constructed an angle at the center subtended by QS, isn't it? And then an angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc QS. So here the theorem that we're going to use is the one which says that an angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference. Let's name this angle O1 and then this one O2. So what can we say? We can say that angle O2 is equal to 2 times angle P, y angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. Okay, all right. And then we look at O1 again. O1, we can see O1. All right, this is O1. What can you say about O1 and R? Right, angle O1 is equal to 2 times angle R, because angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. The other theorem we have to remember is the angles around a point. Like angle O1 and angle O2, these are angles around a point. They must give us what? They must give us 360 degrees. So we can say angle O1 plus angle O2, this should be 360 degrees. And then reason angles around a point. Okay, remember that also. We know our O1 is 2 times angle P, and then our O2 is 2 times angle R, is equal to 360 degrees. Then we can factor out 2 there, and then becomes angle P plus angle R inside the bracket is equal to 360 degrees. Then divide by 2 on both sides. Angle P plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. This is how we prove the theorem which says that the opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. Similarly, we can construct OP and OR, and then we prove that angle Q plus angle S are equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we can prove that angle Q plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees.